Hello, and if you watched me before, welcome back. I've had to go and buy a new nail gun. This load of garbage, which I'll go into in a minute, is packed up yet again. So I've bought the cheapest one I could find because I'm a bit strapped for cash. So I thought I'd do an unboxing of this and tell people to steer away from this. Right, this is a Tackwise Master Nailer. This is my old nail gun, it's electric. And I've had nothing but trouble with it. I've had it for about a year and a half. It's not really had vast amounts of use. This is the second trigger I've put on. It's constantly jamming up. It doesn't nail nails in far enough. We always end up tapping them in after. It is garbage. So I've gone on to an air nailer. I figure I've got a compressor, why not use an air nail gun? It's the cheapest one I could find, because I didn't want to spend vast amounts of money. False economy, I know. Let's see what we get. It's a Draper Storm Force. It can take 10 to 50mm 18 gauge brads with a soft grip rubber handle. That's a real man. Chucks the instructions on the floor. You don't get a lot with it, but it was 32 quid, so I don't know what that is in dollars, but it's cheap. Right, it doesn't come with a quick release fitting, so I've got a spare here. Ow! Just bash my knuckles up. I can't leave a link in the description because I got it from my local tool shop. Okay. Oh! That is 500% better than that. Take my word for it. I think these run at about, I think they're about £65–70. You're better off buying one of them and a cheap compressor. Far superior tool. Draper Storm Force. Right, I spent the last couple of hours knocking this bit of trellis up for a mate of mine. Air nail guns are far superior than electric. I've never had an air nail gun before, so I've nothing to compare it to. But I would never go back now to electric. This is the second electric nail gun I've had. The other one was a Power Devil, I believe. It weren't too bad. I thought they were alright because I've never tried an air nailer before. This is the first time I've had one, and it's worlds apart. I would never now go back to using an electric nail gun. That's my opinion. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Hopefully see you again next time.